with the continuous and rapid development of the UAV industry. Various UAV safety incidents in recent years have attracted high attention from society. Illegal UAV poses a major threat to social stability and the security of all fields. How to ensure the safety of airspace is not threatened by UAV has become an important issue facing all countries. Anti-UAV technology emerges at the right moment, is understood by more and more people, and is being used in many more fields. The fields of airport, prison, police, military base, nuclear power plant, oil refinery, and oil storage are all in urgent need of mature anti-UAV technology. UATC detection and jamming UAV defense system. The working principle is to detect remote UAV in real time through UAV detection equipment. Based on the detected UAV signal, the data is used to calculate the location of the target UAV. Monitoring platform presents the position and type of UAV intuitively. And links with the UAV jammer and navigation spoofing equipment. Remote control equipment, disposal of UAV, drive UAV away in a targeted way, force the UAV land in a designated place, trap the UAV. For the differentiated needs of different scenes and fields, respectively using UAV passive detection equipment, omnidirectional full frequency band UAV passive detection equipment, UAV low altitude detection radar, UAV EO detection equipment, etc. Real-time discovery, real-time warning, unattended detection of specific areas in all directions all day long. UAV passive detection equipment. Receive UAV signals. Identify UAV characteristics. Decode and analyze the protocol. Ultra-low power consumption. Easy to change venue. No signal transmission. Concealment of own position. High sensitivity and low false alarm. Can be used as the main method of detecting UAV. In the application scenes of various activity sites, airspace of secret-related units, and emergency situations, UAVs need to be disposed of. It can adopt handheld UAV jammer, fixed UAV jammer, vehicle-mounted UAV jammer, and other anti-UAV equipment. Force UAVs to turn back or landing before entering the protected area. Anti-UAV equipment use today's most advanced DDS and MMIC technology, is the smallest and lightest in the industry, can be linked with the detection equipment, can be operated remotely by a command and control system, 24 hours unattended, automatic detection of UAVs, automatic jamming UAVs. UAV navigation spoofing system can realize the dynamic induction and spoofing of UAV. The transmitting power is milliwatt level. The system adopts explosion-proof design, suitable for oil field, oil depot, water conservancy, electric power, government agencies, and other national-level anti-terrorism security projects. CTRS Airspace Technology Jiangsu Company Limited specializes in the development of low, small, slow detection and control system, UAV flight trajectory research. CTRS owns a number of core intellectual property rights and is independently owned and authorized more than 300 patents. CTRS has participated in the drafting and validation of a number of IEEE UAV international standards. CTRS was successfully shortlisted in China's Ministry of Public Security Equipment Finance Bureau recommended manufacturer's directory. Create an all-directional and all-factor safe airspace.